Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create music player app in MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So click on new project and my project name is music player. So this is our first screen. In the left side, you will see here the option of web view. Just drag and drop it like this. Now here, I'm going to use the AI tool to generate the music player, but I need the music. So how can I get that? So I'm going to use here the Pixabay website to get a music. So how we can do this? So first of all, open the pixabay.com, click on the music. Now we need a link of that song. So how can I get that? So first of all, play any song, suppose that one, okay? Click on that song. Now, or just go back and just play that song here. Just click on this. Done. Now right click on that and click on inspect. And now we need to just select this one, okay? Just click on that arrow here and just select that song. And now go to your mouse here like this and press Control F or Command F and just type here .mp3 .mp3 and search it. You will see you will get a link of that song. This one, copy that link and you can open this in web view like this. Now this song can be played right here. Okay. Now you can select the multiple songs from here. Now go to the DeepSeek and here we just need to type a simple prompt. Create a amazing 3D design mobile web app music player where I'll give you direct song streaming link. Okay. Make it perfect and mobile friendly. Done. Now here you just need to paste the link. Like you need to paste that link, like 3-4 link. You can just paste it here and just enter. Fantastic. Code is done. Now let's see how this will look. Let's click on the run, this one. And this is a wow, amazing. I added here 3 songs. As you can see here, just click on that play button. Oh, nice. You can just go like here. Wow, fantastic. You can just click on this. Now the next song. Oh my God, this is really fantastic. Now what need to do? Just click on download button. Go to your file and just rename it to something is like song.html. Go to the MIT App Inventor. In the right side, click on upload file. Click on choose file and just upload that song.html and just click on OK. Done. Now what you need to do here, just go to the home URL here like this and just type here simply http :/localhost / and file name is song.html. Song.html. That's it. Now let me just show you how this will look. Okay, so I'm going to just click on the screen and just change the screen name to the player app. Okay, and click on connect AI companion. Copy this app inventor, paste it and connect with code. And let's see how our app will look. Wow, this is our fantastic app. You can play music like this. Fantastic. You can just click on this to change it. Nice. So if you have any doubt, you can answer my comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.